Might burn, many roots minute. Well, in Palatable pallets, using pallets for your gardens. Here's 8 steps, 8 things to think about with pallets. A, take it from this MB. You don't want MB on your wood. MB stands for methyl bromide, which is poisonous chemical. You want HT, which stands for heat treated. That means the wood's safe to use in your garden. B, you can do raised beds. You can see here I've disassembled a couple pallets. Gonna put the pieces together and actually assemble in a kind of a normal raised bed. C, a canted bed. We actually have got lots of walls here, so we're gonna cant at an angle the bed, put some salad greens and herbs in there. They don't need much space. D, you can drop and define them. Putting a pallet over your raised bed and putting crops in between is a way to keep them organized. E, Easybox is what I call it. You can actually cut these along the slats and assemble them into a box like for strawberries and other things you want to grow. F, a food forest wall. You got a whole alley. We're going to put these up and see all kinds of things we can try to grow. And G, good trellises. We're going to try and use these for trellises. That's the minute. Bonus time, we're going to try and use some of this stuff. We've got a lot of them in the alley, and we're going to try and use these trellises for stools for my kids, little mini helpers. We're going to use this for gardening tables, some other stuff we'll try. So 60 seconds on good uses for pallets, with about a bonus 20 seconds on some neat ideas, and I'll link to some cool videos I've seen that I've watched for you guys to find these.